offerings today. Tonight, we are pleased to offer coffee, tea, water, and a complimentary snack. Please leave your face covering on until the flight attendant completes the service at your row. Please join us in our efforts to comply with the federal mask mandate and safely care for one another by quickly replacing your face covering over your nose and mouth after briefly taking a bite of your food or sip of your drink. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. Relax and enjoy the flight.
Everybody want money, yeah, if you wanna go and hustle, you gon' play Powerball and realize you won the lotto already. When your sorrows, forget it, you repeat it, cause after Sunday comes Monday, social media, you can end it. But your life don't replicate the likes you get it. On the lack of got you pissed off, honestly, gon' set you free. Yeah, honestly, you believe that those in every move the life with these. For them overnight successes, but them struggles you don't wanna see, cause they just want what they can have. Then put their soul above for grabs. Set, lick quick, fuck you by your back. Then they mad, them a hustle like, why the hell you mad? Cause they just want what they can have. Then put their soul above for grabs. Set, lick quick, fuck you by your back. Then they mad, them a hustle like, why the hell you mad? Ignorance is bliss, I saw it firsthand. Laughed at my bucket list when everything is good, they be the first hands. Asking for some handouts, they making demands now. Like they got me getting a bit of pipe down for you mans now. The food's on my label looking right for the pluck. Lyrical pistol lit the fire up the dome. Got the haters ducking the climb to the top and go all over a sudden. With no knowledge of the loss and the pain, you can tell me nothing. Cause they just want what they can have. You put their soul up for grabs. Set, lick quick, fucking by your back. Then they mad, them a hustle like, why the hell you mad? Cause they just want what they can have. Then put their soul above for grabs. Set, lick quick, fucking by your back. Then they mad, them a hustle like, why the hell you mad? What's up, lumnezian? What's up? I see you at the back. Today is gonna be a crazy, crazy day. Yeah. Come on. Get ready. They say it's easy cause you're wasting pace, but they don't know these bricks and cut the same. These old men is personal, no copy paste. I got a line for all the times I face and make mistakes cause I ain't saving face. Music, that's my saving grace. You say you run this shit, I run it different ways. Climbed up this thing, wouldn't let me do it. a proclaim. I know I lost my mind, what get it be insane? Searching you will find nothing but raw game. They call me for so far, we don't talk the same game. I took a good game, no one won't forget the way. I started out in cars before I started the base. I planted down seeds to work on my past ways. I guess my girl was right when she said it was just a phase. The man in the mirror staying back cause he amazed. I promise we gon' kid it, how we kid it. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, yo, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breaking out the frame, I'm sticking to my lane. You can't expect no change if you don't wanna change. Behind the cashier now, the gifts I never make. Money freeze for some shade, cause no point in cashing out. They said I was insane, cause my goals were out the way. But now they realize I just moved them out the way. Days in Penny Lane where the kids used to play. Now we smile and stay low around the city with the aim. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Eyes, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Lumnezia? What's up, what's up, what's up? How you guys doing today? Nah, that makes me happy, that makes me happy. What a wonderful day today, no? Scheiße, Ruhe ist richtig. Perfect. I love it. Bünden. Your hands good. It's lovely up here, I love it. The next track. Are you guys ready for the next track? Alright, so the next track is, put your hands up if you're here with somebody that you love. Put your hand up if you love yourself. I want to see all the hands up, all the hands to the sky. This song's called Rose Garden. And I wrote the song for somebody I loved. I still love them, but it's a good song, you know? So I just want you to vibe with me. Okay, so as a part of the song, I'm gonna need your help a little bit, okay? Are you guys ready for that? Alright. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on. Roses are red and violets are blue. Shivery and dead, I would've given it to you. My heart, you stole it from the get-go. Now you got me hooked in, I don't wanna let go. Learn to love myself, now I'm ready for you. Now order reservations, yeah, I'm making for 2. Weekends in the mountains, weekdays on the beach. Just like you, every day's my treat. Tonight's mission is start. What you wanna eat? Pair with a fine wine. Go back to our place and do what love is doing. Now you quite a fine dime. Intelligent, beautiful, and you gotta start it in my knees weak. Loving you is easy. I'ma speak in my mind. Don't care, this is cheesy. Put some white truffle on it. I'ma keep you by my side. Pour your duffel in the whip as we ride, you and I. Yeah. Hey, Lumnezia, you ready to vibe a little bit? Alright, motherfucker, I like you, dog. You with them, son? What's up, everybody? Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's a good vibe song. And that's all we want today. Yeah. Alex, how you feeling?
Okay, let's go second verse.
Yeah, come on. So we're like this. Walking under the night sky. The stars in our moon was a nightlight up in the room. You told me your dreams, I told you all about mine. Open up your heart, you said Shaq stick inside. Looked into your eyes, got a glimpse of your soul. It was like a sunrise on the beach with a tide low. Something so pure, it's refreshing. I knew your love was nothing short of a blessing. Next thing, you got me tripping. Needing your love, damn, I think I'll be addicted. I don't wanna go to rehab, many wanted what we have. Beauty in the eye of the beholder, I wish that you can see it, you're amazing. Please don't change that way that you walk and the way that you talk. Everything about you like a fire in my heart. You ask me why I love you, damn, where the hell should I start? Yeah. So everybody, these are the peddlers. This is my band. To the right on the bass we got Yo. Make some noise. To the left we got Aladdin right here on the electric guitar. On the keys, my homie Nicola. Make some noise. On the drums, We got Kevin. Hey, this guy, crazy. On the decks over here, we got Alex. Make some noise for the peddlers, everybody. Thank you very much. Now I said I need your help, and it's just like this, it's easy. All I need is this. Check, check, check. You step left, you step right. You step left, you step right. You step left, you step right. Now come on, vibe with me, yeah. Now come alive with me, come alive with me, yeah. Now can I get a we love lumnezian? Can I get a we love lumnezian? Can I get a whoop, 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 whoop? Can I get a woody, woody, woo? Can I get a we love lumnezian? I love this place, man. I love this place. Shit. So now it's a bit of a switch of emotions. Truth is a track that I wrote for the times when people told me I couldn't do what I wanted to do all the time. This is it. Yeah. You gotta always chase your dreams no matter what, okay? Check. I don't know where to start. Should I go for their hand or do them part for part? Cause I didn't know we had this, but that's the will of God. I grew up torn apart, since the kid is still in parts. Got the heart and the soul that got me this far. My mastery, I'm quick with my artistry. Like a bee feeding blood to my arteries. Pardon me, don't pick your pointless sweet pointers won't be like Jay-Z hard. I could give them pointers, let them figure it out. Cause it goes deeper than the line. Small prints, no need to search around. I ain't attacking your intelligence, more your integrity. Love me face to face behind my back. Double-sided coins cause they two-faced. Still telling tales, monkeys how they do things. Cause what they see and what it is. Next time for these lines like preschool kids. Let the dream lucid, check it. I did it all for the vision, did it all for the dream. Took the Jahr from the third, gave the third to the team. Now we share the dream. Put some threes up, yeah. I did it all for the vision, did it all for the dream. Took the Jahr from the third, gave a third to the team. Now we share the dream, yeah. I did it all for the vision, did it all for the dream. Took the Jahr from the third, give a third to the team. Now we share the dream, yeah. Now we share the dream. Yeah. Alright, give me a moment, just give me a moment. Are y'all guys ready? We're about to switch it up. Are y'all ready? From the back to the front, are y'all ready? I take that shit, now let's go. I know they're not ready. Get set, go, yeah, me, I'm moving steady. Not to get ahead of myself, I've been ready. Taking the right steps, only old school. They say the new school ain't for you, but they don't know. I've been at the top, but these other homies no show. Knowing that my shows I rap like it was also for fight souls. I gotta wait my turn, we know how that go. I've been raising the bar, and that's facts though. Never lax though, you homies 99 after I'm done. I'll be back, bro. I gotta rap, y'all, I won't hold back, no. Watch his homies backstroke.
With the yeah, cause I just like to go. Passing through the hell, you can leave me with
I can't though. I told them I'll be back, bro. Now look at how they act now. Cause now they ain't got back, bro. When did they call? Who at the door? Oh, throw it to the cold. Of course I know they never make it till dawn. Every morning, you people sleep while in my dreams. You full of shit. You people waste time. Mine's limited to tone baseline. I'll be fighting from the baseline. I know it takes time. Now everybody make time. I don't need break time. So I'm taking out the break class. They told me that I can't though.
Nah.
I told him I'll be back, bro. Now look at how they act now. Cause now they hit my back, bro. Been on the road with all my flows. And now I know I got a hold. Won't let it go. I let it go to another throne. And cover cold. Collect the souls in some place. Got the time to play. Put it like distraction. Would think I'm on sensation. Master on my destiny. I've been on the low. I just think life is fucking testing me. Invested in it heavily. Dealing with the jeopardy. Nothing but the hustle. Ain't no way to do it differently. God's never missing me. Do it every day. The same comfort, no epiphany. Look at how it's fitting me. Stubborn than a motherfucker. OJ's love. They show me love. And that's what's up. Can't tell me nothing now. I had the boy, I am the man. Now run this him. I hold it down, yeah. Shit, shit. I hold it down, yeah. Shit, shit. I hold it down. They told me that I can't though.
What?
I told him I'll be back, bro. Now look at how they act now.
Look at them.
Cause now they ain't got black. Lumnezian, how you feeling right now?
Yo, bro.
What's up?
Should we do a freestyle?
Okay, we're gonna do something special. This is a freestyle. When I say, who you gonna call? Y'all guys say? When I say, who you gonna call? You say? Okay, we're gonna test this, okay? Check. When I'm cruising through your neighborhood and I'm feeling fly, just like I should. And I'm feeling hot, cause this rhymes is good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Check. I got mad rhymes that I'm spinning. Everything I do is something don't know rhythms. And if you really wanna go check my thing, no disrespect. I'm still spinning mad flows. If I wanna keep it, then I keep it on the toes. This is what I write and this is what I love. So this is how it goes. Now who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? I said, who you gonna call? Y'all guys are sick. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. What's up, my G?
Yo, let's go to the next one.
All right, the next, you guys want to hear another freestyle? I said you want to hear another freestyle?
Okay.
All right, this is an original piece by this homie over here, Aladdin. Yeah, smile, tell him about it. Yeah. Come on. Let me come to this side. Show me the love. Right side, how you doing right now? All right, you wanna let them do you like that? Left side, how you doing right now? I said right side, how you doing right now? Left side. Now everybody together, how you feeling? All right, check. I got mad flows and I be spitting. What I say before, man, none of this is written. I take it off the dome, I just put it on my soul. I be spitting these flows since 12 years old. The boy come hot, but my soul up, put your hands up. Now put your hands up, put your hands up. Geile Sicht, hands up, put your hands up. Now put your hands up, put your hands up. Damn, I ain't never gonna change. Still spitting flows, man, I stay the same way. Cold since a young age, damn with my flows. Killer on the microphone, call your mom though. Say you not coming home. Flows R.I.P. I be spitting this, sleeping 6 feet deep. Now ain't that crazy that the boy from the CBT is here in Switzerland spitting to these beats? Yeah, but that's just how it is. You never know what life's gonna give, but you know what you got. So shit, I spit it hot, and I'm spitting flows coming straight off the motherfucking top. Lumnezia. I'ma let the peddlers do their thing. Are y'all guys ready for the peddlers? Guys, tear the stage down. I'll be back. Nah, they crazy, no? These homies are crazy. Make some noise for the Panthers one more time! You guys are crazy, I swear. I'm blessed to have you guys on my side. Guys, this is my last song. This song's called Deceit. I want everybody, from the back to the front, I just want energy, because I'm about to give everything that I got. If I die on the stage right now, I'll be happy. But I love you guys. Thank you very much for having me here. Guys, Lumnezia, it's been blessed. We got one more track for you, and I'm gonna give my everything. Guys, let's do this shit. Let me keep short. So gave in to the energy, stay back to let other people be the influence of the energy. I feed into this world, negativity's force feeding. My enemy ain't really me, just a reflection of my enemy. Who said this is who you are, so this is what you be. Those dreams you sit out of reach, yeah, they gon' stay out of reach. See, cause if we couldn't reach it, then neither were you. Happiness is an illusion and we pitiable. Confused with what I can actually do. Oh shit, is that true? So who lied to who? I know I lied to myself when I said that your words weren't true. I stepped up for myself, yeah, I can't be sincere, yeah, they ain't been nothing new. Nah, they ain't been nothing new. They call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. They call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. And they ain't nothing for me. Yeah, they call it deceit. They call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. And ain't nothing for me. I'd rather fail than never try. Miss goes ready, then say they right. Yeah, they constant high. Have him defined by the boundaries of their mind. Let him judge on everything that I do. Let him point fingers, laugh for every time that I lose. Sorry, but I think you got it confused. Been putting work in for two. That's a stunt double. And it enough, I got my demons causing trouble. Broken heart still picking pieces at the rubble. Dust it up if it fits, and if it's they don't fit when they learn I came out of it. The box is trying to lock me in. It's a different energy, we not begin to devil with words. We're not in the reverse, I put a nail in the coffin. Try to cover the heat, better pull around the hearse, cause we not stopping. Flows like buttons in the place they dropping. Dealt with the repercussions. In the verse, get red to the reaper, that's an unboxing. Man, stop it, that's not an option for me. Me, I walk miles in the beats on my soul, hit to my feet. Cause I told myself, back here with tears in my eyes, I want this. If I stop now, yeah, they call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. Call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. And they ain't nothing for me. Yeah, they call it deceit. They call it deceit. Yeah, they call it deceit. They ain't nothing for me. Nothing for me. Yeah, they call it deceit. They call it deceit.